1. Mallard, a common wild duck species known for its glossy green head, males, and adaptability to many habitats across the world. 2. Muscovy duck, a large domestic duck originally from Central and South America, recognized for its red facial caruncles and quiet behavior. 3. Pekin duck, a popular domestic duck breed with white feathers, fast growth, and commonly used in meat production. 4. Rouen duck, a French domestic duck similar in appearance to the mallard but larger and heavier, often raised for both meat and exhibition. 5. Wood duck, a beautifully colored North American duck known for its iridescent plumage and nesting in tree cavities. 6. Mandarin duck, a highly ornamental duck from East Asia, famous for its striking multicolored feathers and elaborate patterns. 7. Northern pintail, a slender duck with a long pointed tail and elegant neck, commonly found in wetlands and migratory routes. 8. Gadwall, a medium-sized dabbling duck with subtle gray-brown plumage and a quiet, unobtrusive nature. 9. American black duck, a dark-colored duck native to eastern North America, often found in coastal marshes and rivers. 10. Northern shoveler, a duck with a large spoon-shaped bill used for filtering food from the water surface. 11. Eurasian teal, a small, fast-flying duck with a distinctive green eye stripe on males during breeding season. 12. Blue-winged teal, a small migratory duck recognized by its blue wing patches and rapid long-distance travel. 13. Cinnamon teal, a striking duck species with rich reddish-brown plumage found mainly in the Americas. 14. Canvasback, a large diving duck known for its sloping forehead and preference for deep freshwater lakes. 15. Redhead duck, a diving duck with a reddish head and gray body, often seen in large flocks during migration. 16. Ringnecked duck, a freshwater diving duck named after a faint ring around its neck and a distinctive peaked head. 17. Greater scaup, a diving duck commonly found in coastal waters, known for its black and white coloration. 18. Lesser scaup, a smaller relative of the greater scaup, often difficult to distinguish in the field. 19. Harlequin duck, a small sea duck with striking blue, white, and chestnut markings, often found in fast-moving streams. 20. Eider duck, a large sea duck known for its soft down feathers, which are highly valued for insulation. 21. Long-tailed duck, a diving sea duck with very elongated tail feathers and distinctive seasonal plumage changes. 22. Tufted duck, a black and white diving duck with a prominent crest on its head, common in Eurasian waters. 23. Shelduck, a large, colorful duck that resembles a mix between a goose and a duck, often nesting in coastal areas.